Hold on, let me put on my white woman voice real quick. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. Hey, I'm using that pure neat braid conditioning gel, baby. Better than Shine Jam, hands down. So now I'm just making a part from ear to ear, as y'all see. Why, when I was editing this, I was so mad I chose that chair. And it just reminded me of the what, Montgomery Brawl? We will never look at folding chairs the same. Okay, so now I am partying out for the middle design. Y'all don't know how long it took me just to figure out what to say on what I'm doing. Because I'm like, baby, I'm confused. So I was trying to show y'all what the party looks like. I mean, y'all can see it. Y'all can scrub my hair, girl. Go ahead. But yeah, Miss Man was not going to let me tilt her head. But right now she's picking out her little color she wants because she grown now. She 3, my baby 3. Oh. But now I am partying out. Thank you, mamas. So now I am just partying out her hair. I did four parts, and we're just gonna be rubber banding them. Yeah. So now I'm just adding some gel so it can be all nice and smooth. I didn't show it here, or maybe I didn't do it. But usually I would comb the gel through. I would, but you know, it's okay. So now I'm just twisting up the hair, and I'm going to be repeating the same thing on all 4. I'm going to add that gel, comb it through. Had to fix that real quick. Hold on. There we go. Okay, now we combing it through. And then you're just going to add the twist from the part below. Can we get there? Thank you. And then just rubber band it and repeat those steps.
Too often, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body.
Okay, so now I'm going to be working on the braids on the side. So I am adding the gel. I'm going to comb that through. You okay, Sonny? You okay? Boy, there's interruptions in this video, but that's okay. So yeah, so I just combed it through, and now we're just going to braid. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Add the gel, comb it through, braid.
My body so crazy, baby. I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I check in with you. So wait a minute, don't give up for you to my heart. I just wanna give it tonight, like you. It's true that I changed the way for you. I see what it's true that I'm for real. This is how I feel. I'm in need of love. Let's do that I did. Oh yeah, it's my time. Everything's so fine. I just wanna chill. Let's do that I did. I'll admit it. This just ain't no game. We can stay first.
Okay, so now I'm just working on the middle part to get that all nice and crispy. And I also parted out her bangs. I just didn't include that in here. But yeah, I like to call it her bangs. But yeah, so that's how I got that little swoop effect. But we're going to get there here in a second. So now I'm just working on just parting. I did 3 parts. And so I'm just going to be doing the same thing that I did with that middle design. We're just going to add the gel, comb it through, rubber band, twist, do it again. Yes, ma'am. Insert, because I know men be watching this too. Not laughing about men watching me. That's not what I'm laughing about. I'm just laughing because I just didn't include y'all. I want to include y'all. Thank y'all for watching. God bless. No. Okay, so with that last section of hair, I am braiding the braid and I'm splitting that into 2 and then I'm twisting, as you guys see. And I'm just going to add that to the 3rd section ponytail situation. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. Now for her swoop bang action, I mean, honestly, I just pulled the hair back, but then I also try to go like at a curve when I was like combing it into the ponytail. It did have some gel. I did like detangle her hair so I could get as flat as possible. But yeah, and then once I got the results I wanted, just rubber band it. Yes. Now the fun part, them edges, baby. Yes, you gotta lay them edges down. Y'all see it? Ooh, y'all see it? Yes. Now I'm just getting some flower clips. There's also some bunnies in there. I put some bunnies in her hair. Y'all, this took the style up there. I swear, adding accessories, it's just chef's kiss to a hairstyle. Like, you need accessories. You feel me? But yes, it's coming together, baby. Ooh, this hot the wind. Looking at her. Oh, yeah. 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 Oh, my goodness. Y'all, don't mind my baby screaming in the back. He ain't going to bed. There ain't nothing I can do. So, anyways, but this is the finished look. If you guys like this video and like this hairstyle, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if you aren't subscribed, baby, go ahead and subscribe. I'll see y'all next one. Bye.